Hi guys, we are in Hotere Street here in Rangiora today. This street is known for its beautiful looking homes. However, I think this home is one of the nicest properties on the street. Welcome to another listed by Jiby. Today we are at 24 Hotere Street here in Rangiora. This brand new 3-bedroom home offers 2 bathrooms, separate laundry, monopitch ceiling in the living space with a lot of windows as you can see. Great spec with wood fireplace, 2 heat pumps, mega appliances, tile showers, great indoor-outdoor floor with multiple sliders opening up to the deck and patio, carpeted garage, you name it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This home is truly something special in the street. You need to come and see it yourself. I'm Jiby from Ray. I'll see you guys at the open homes.